Introduction.
The Maya people are considered one of the greatest civilizations that flourished in Central America, spanning thousands of years and covering vast regions of Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador. They excelled in various fields such as astronomy, mathematics, engineering, and writing, making them one of the most advanced peoples of their time. Although their major urban centers collapsed before the arrival of the Spanish, Maya culture remains alive through their descendants, who still inhabit those regions today. In this study, we will explore the history, culture, achievements, and decline of the Maya civilization.
Origins and history of the Maya.
Archaeological evidence suggests that the origins of the Maya date back to around 2000 BCE, when the first agricultural communities began settling and cultivating crops such as maize, beans, and squash. During this period, several interwoven cultures contributed to shaping Maya civilization, including the Olmecs, who are believed to have influenced Maya writing and religion. By the Classic period, 250 to 900 CE, the Maya civilization had reached its peak with the emergence of great cities such as Tikal, Copan, Calakmul, and Palenque. They built impressive pyramids and temples and organized their societies in a highly sophisticated manner. They also excelled in astronomy, creating extremely accurate calendars, and in mathematics, being among the first to use the concept of zero. After 900 CE, what is known as the Classic period collapse began, with many major cities falling due to wars, famines, and climate changes. However, some urban centers, such as Chichen Itza and Uxmal in northern Yucatan, continued to thrive until the Spanish conquest in the 16th century.
Language and writing.
The Maya developed one of the most complex writing systems in Mesoamerica, consisting of over 800 hieroglyphic symbols. These symbols were used to record historical events, royal genealogies, economic transactions, and religious inscriptions. Many of these texts were carved on stone or written on bark paper manuscripts.
Art and architecture.
The Maya were renowned for their remarkable art, which included sculptures, carvings, decorated pottery, and colorful murals that depicted aspects of their religious and social life. Their architecture was highly advanced, with massive temples, intricately designed pyramids, and vast plazas used for religious and ceremonial events.
Science and mathematics.
The Maya excelled in science, particularly in astronomy, creating precise calendars based on astronomical calculations to track planetary and stellar movements. They were also among the first civilizations to use the concept of zero, which allowed them to develop an advanced numerical system.
Economy and trade.
The Maya economy was primarily based on agriculture, with staple crops such as maize, cacao, beans, and fruits. Trade was also an essential part of their economy, as they exchanged goods like salt, jade, feathers, textiles, and pottery with neighboring cultures. Trade routes extended across different Mesoamerican regions, enhancing communication among Maya cities.
Social life and political organization.
Maya society was hierarchically structured, with rulers enjoying absolute power and being regarded as divine representatives on earth. Social classes included nobles, priests, merchants, farmers, and slaves. Each city-state had its own ruler and army, leading to frequent conflicts between Maya cities.
The fall of the Maya civilization.
The collapse of major Maya cities during the Classic period remains a mystery, but scholars believe multiple factors contributed, such as resource depletion, internal conflicts, climate changes, and prolonged droughts. Despite this decline, some Maya communities in the north continued to thrive until the Spanish conquest, which destroyed most Maya kingdoms but failed to completely erase their cultural heritage.
The Maya today.
Despite the Spanish conquest and the fall of their ancient kingdoms, millions of Maya descendants still live in Central America, preserving their languages, traditions, and cultural practices. Ongoing efforts continue to safeguard Maya heritage, with scholars studying their texts and restoring their ancient temples and cities.
Conclusion.
The Maya people were among the most advanced civilizations in history, excelling in sciences, astronomy, engineering, and arts. Although their civilization declined, their legacy endures through the remnants of their great cities and the continued existence of their descendants. Studying the Maya civilization not only provides insight into the past, but also helps us understand how human societies evolve over time.